Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Jell-O poke cake. It's very simple, easy, quick fix to make if you have a party you have to go to and you don't have very many supplies or time to go to the store and get something to make. What you're going to do is you're going to need a box of strawberry Jell-O. You're going to need a container of Cool Whip. You're going to need a spatula, an 8 by 11 inch cake pan, and an oven that works. What you're going to do first is you're going to prepare the cake mix with the directions on the box. You're going to cook it in the oven at 350 for about half an hour until it is just lightly brown, like this. You're going to let it cool completely. While that's cooling, what you're going to do then is you're going to take the strawberry Jell-O, or you can use whatever other flavor you like, orange, lemon, whatever, and take 1 cup of cold water and the Jell-O mixture. You're going to mix it up till all the stuff is dissolved, whatnot. You can use the same fork. What you're going to do, after the cake is cooled, you're going to poke holes throughout the entire cake. Like that. You can use a knife too if you want to. And this way it's going to let the Jell-O mixture get seep throughout the entire cake. That way there's Jell-O or strawberry Jell-O flavoring or whatever kind of other flavoring you like throughout the entire cake. Just make sure you get holes all over it. Okay. Then what you're going to do, like I said, you're going to make sure that the Jell-O is all completely dissolved in the container that you use. Whatever container you use. Rinse that off. And you just take the Jell-O mixture, with the Jell-O, and you're just going to pour it throughout the entire, over the top of the entire cake. Making sure to get it over the whole thing so that there's strawberry flavoring through the whole thing, every bite. Just like that. And like I said, you can use whatever other kind of flavor you like. Orange is another favorite one, but strawberry is my favorite one. You can dump all of it on top of it. Alright, once that's done, you're going to let all that seep into it. Rinse out your bowls. If you need to, you can take the fork again and poke some more holes into it, and if it's puddling on top like that. You're going to let that soak in. Then what you're going to do is any kind of whipped topping. You're going to take your spatula and you're going to use that as your frosting. You're just going to put it over the entire top of the cake. And then, like, since we're using the strawberry Jell-O, if you wanted to get a strawberry flavored Cool Whip, you could do that. Or if you want to use food coloring to make it, you know, pink or red to match the flavoring, that's perfectly fine. But it's very quick, very good. You do that. One other thing you can also do, with this one being strawberries, you can get a container of strawberries and cut the greens off of it, cut it in half, and put strawberry across all the top of it. That way there's a fresh strawberry in everybody's piece. Once the Cool Whip's on top, then you're going to cover it and you're going to put it in the fridge and let it cool. And that's going to allow the Jell-O, it's not going to Jell-O-ize. And then you let it cool for about 4 hours or so before you serve it to anybody. Do that. Rinse that off. You're gonna put it in the fridge for about 4 hours before you serve it to anybody. It's gonna look something like that. And like I said, you can put the strawberries on top. You can use different flavored Cool Whip on top. You can use food coloring to dye the whip topping. And then you're just gonna put it in the fridge. I've already got one made completely. When it's done, it's going to look like that. Just grab a knife, cut into it, show you guys what it looks like. Say you got home on a Friday night or something and you realize that you forgot to make dessert for your block party or birthday party or whatever. If you look at it, you just see that there's strawberry jello flavoring throughout the entire thing. Like that. If you look at it, it's nice and moist. Make sure you use a lot of oil. I always put a lot of oil in it. In conclusion, this cake, like I said, very easy to make. You can find stuff out of your cupboard real fast in case you don't have time to go to the store. You can use any kind of jello you want. You can use generic brand, name brand, whatever you prefer. Fix it up, put whatever kind of, you can put sprinkles on top, you can put whatever you want to put on top of it, make it look nice. You can use different size pans, different shaped pans, whatever kind of pans you want. You can use 2 round ones, make like a double layer. That would be fun. So it's a very good cake to make. Everyone seems to like it.
Mm-hmm.
And so, enjoy!